owakwatwa ni Dorine ahaisibwe kandi nagamba kuba yahandikise namba y'esimu yo wari kuzarwa nawe okwenda ngu sente za parish development model abe niwe yazacira arikurabira omurimo ine nyina. Enshonga egi yamanywa bwa nyuma y'abatura kworeka obutashemererwa n'omuringo gw'ehuriro ya PDM eri kugendamu omu marika gwa Kisomoro omuri Bunyangabo.
Lastly, bona mu batwaye na kigambira DPC as the one at the top. I supervise this PDM as someone from the office of the president, and this money is coming from the presidency. But I have no power to direct to pay someone like you brought up. Amana agotinga ine obshoborozo gotinga ine nyowe sente za government nziteiraha police find out which is the right route where that money should go.
Ogu yakwatirwa mu rukiko rwatebeekanisibwa RDC wa Bunyangabo Kamukama Nicholas kandi rwahikwa mu polisi abebembezi ba district n'abatura.
Twa investigatinga twatunga all these evidences, and of course I am not the one that did this. I worked with the relevant teams, like you saw the DPC, you saw my deputies, you saw the CID. So we were able to gather all this information as a team.
Abanda bakwatwa harimu mukuru wa Buguzi PDM Sako Happy Wilson, Omubich Ariganyira Joseph n'omuhandiki Gumiseriza Edward.
As you can see, omwishitwamu arrestinga na board. Recently we have a directive by the President of the Republic of Uganda that boards can be trashed. And we create new boards. Twabashaba batunje another board. We will go to the community. We do community sensitization. We ask them to develop another board, and in that manner we will stop the vice.
Bwanyuma y'abebembezi abakutunga kwetombwitwa ku rugumbantu bakatandika kugicondozaho nuko kushangangu n'amazima Dorine akatwara sentezi.
Mumkamwaruzira beneficial wazo
The investigations are ongoing. The DPC and CID have taken over the files. We shall wait to see what the investigations, how the investigations will end, what the DPP will say, whether they will be charged in court. We wait to see what happens, but as the office of COW, we are very committed to fight corruption in PDM without fear or favor.
District ya Bunyangabo yahereze kugaba biliyoni 17 ezitirwa mu bantu bari kwinga n'omutwaro gumwe na kashanju. Gasha kwa Jonathan Tusingwire.